Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're showcasing the best Indian clay pot for cooking, the Vyatka Ceramics Stoneware Ramekin with lid. This 500 ml clay pot is the perfect addition to any kitchen, offering a natural, versatile solution for all your cooking needs. Whether you're baking, roasting, or simply warming up your favorite dishes, this ramekin promises to deliver an exceptional cooking experience. Crafted from high-quality natural clay, this stoneware ramekin is built to last. Fired at high temperatures, it becomes incredibly durable, resistant to chipping, cracking, and scratching. You can trust it to withstand the rigors of daily cooking without losing its charm. The round shape is designed for even heat distribution, ensuring your food cooks evenly every time. No more worrying about burnt edges or undercooked centers. This pot ensures that each dish is perfectly done. What makes this clay pot stand out is its non-porous nature. Unlike other materials that absorb food odors or flavors, stoneware remains neutral, which is perfect for dishes with strong ingredients like garlic and onions. You can cook a variety of dishes, from casseroles to stews, soups, and even baked goods, without worrying about flavor contamination. And when you're done, cleaning up is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, or you can simply hand wash it with mild soap and water. The lid that comes with the Vyatka Ceramics Stoneware Ramekin adds to its functionality. It not only helps to keep your food warm but also locks in moisture, ensuring that your stews and soups retain their richness and flavor. Plus, it's oven safe, making it a perfect tool for versatile cooking methods, whether you're using it on the stovetop, in the oven, or even the microwave. This product isn't just about cooking, it's about creating an experience. The earthy, rustic design of the clay pot brings a touch of tradition to your modern kitchen. It's perfect for serving as well, giving your meals a homey, authentic feel. If you're looking for a durable, efficient, and beautiful cooking pot, this is it. The Vyatka Ceramics Stoneware Ramekin is more than just a pot. It's a kitchen companion that you can rely on for years to come. So, if you want to elevate your cooking game and add a touch of Indian craftsmanship to your kitchen, the Vyatka Ceramics Stoneware Ramekin with lid is your perfect choice. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more reviews on the best kitchen products out there.